Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I'm going to tell you about new operating system of iPhone which is iOS 18. I will tell you about its release date, its new feature and which device is portable to iOS 18. So let's kick the video. First up, we will talk about the release date. The release date of Apple iOS version at their worldwide developer conference, they usually give the updates at WWDC. So this year WWDC kicks off on June 10, 2024. So that's when you will get a first official look at iOS 18. Following a tradition, a developer beta will likely to be released shortly after with a public beta coming a few weeks later. But a full version of iOS 18 will be launched in September when Apple launches its new device iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 series. Talking about the compatible devices, iPhone 15 series, iPhone 14 series, iPhone 13 series, and iPhone 12 series are compatible with iOS 17. iPhone 11 series is also compatible with iOS 18, and few models of iPhone X series, XR, XS, and XS Max. These are not confirmed, but these X series models can have that iOS 18 version update in their iPhones. So let's talk about features of iOS 18. I have also posted the video about iOS 18 features separately, but here are the features of iOS 18 which you will get after the update. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and I will see you in the next one.